Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. So today video viewers, we are going to explore something simple, colorful button crafts ideas, but are not just for clothes. They are small, fun and full of possibilities. With buttons you can make decoration, gifts and beautiful handmade items that your home. Why button are perfect for crafting? Buttons come in different sizes, shapes and colors. They are small and easy to handle, colorful and fun. Perfect for gifts and gifts. Even a simple project can look amazing with buttons. You can create flowers, animal patterns using just a few buttons and some creative button wallet. One of the most popular button crafts is button wallet. How to make it? Take a piece of cardboard, arrange button in shapes like flower, heart or letter, and viewers. You can use it for your home, a family needs, or just a color design. There is always project and a completely unique button. Flower button can become flowers. Use one button for the center. Use small buttons around it as special. Glue them on papers or even a stick to create a flowers may create handmade cards or gifts. You can also make a button flower vase display that lasts for years. Button picture frame. You can decorate photo frame with button. Step 1. Frames. Plain frame buttons around with them. Mix color and size for an interesting pattern. Design for a personal handmade toys to your photos. Perfect for gifts or home decoration. Button jewelry. Buttons are also great for making jewelry. You can use button earrings, button necklaces, button bracelets. Use colorful buttons. This is an easy and fun to make unique.